Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the PSAT. This is Chapter 4, Lesson 27. Today we tackle one of the most common pronoun mistakes in English. Should you say Jim and me went or Jim and I went? We'll learn one simple trick that gets it right every single time. Let's set up the two teams. Every personal pronoun is either a subject pronoun or an object pronoun. The subject pronouns are I, he, she, we, and they. These do the action. The object pronouns are me, him, her, us, and them. These receive the action. Subjects do, objects receive. Keep those two lists in your head. Here's where people slip. When the pronoun stands alone, your ear gets it right. Nobody says, me went home. But add another person, Jim and me went home, and suddenly it sounds okay, even though it's wrong. The correct version is Jim and I went home. So the trap is simple. Pairing the pronoun with a name hides the mistake from your ear. And here's the trick that fixes everything. Drop the other person and say the sentence with just the pronoun. Jim and I went home. Cover up Jim and you're left with I went home. That sounds right. Try the other one. I went home, not me went home. The lone pronoun always tells you the truth. Drop the other person and your ear can hear the answer. The same trick works when the pronoun is an object. The trail tired Jim and me. Drop Jim and you get the trail tired me. That sounds right, while tired I would sound wrong. So here the object pronoun me is correct. Notice the difference. When the pronoun does the action, use a subject pronoun like I. When it receives the action, use an object pronoun like me. Drop the other person either way and listen. So here's your quick check for any pronoun stuck inside a pair. Step 1. Drop the other person from the sentence. Step 2. Say the sentence with the pronoun all by itself. Step 3. Keep whichever pronoun sounds right alone. That's the whole method. Drop, say it alone, keep what sounds right. Let's try a few. In this first set, pick the correct pronoun. Use the trick. Drop the other person and say the sentence with the pronoun alone. Pause and try each one before I answer. Jen and blank are class representatives. Drop Jen and say it alone. She is a representative, not her is a representative. The subject form wins, so the answer is she. Are you coming with Rudy and blank? Drop Rudy and say it alone. Coming with me, not coming with I. The object form wins here, so the answer is me. Stefan saw Abra and blank at the store. Drop Abra and say it alone. Stefan saw them, not Stefan saw they. The object form wins, so the answer is them. 3 more. Same plan. Drop the other person, say it with the pronoun alone, and keep what sounds right. Pause and try each one. Did you and blank see the game? Drop you and say it alone. Did she see the game? Not did her see the game. The subject form wins, so the answer is she. The award went to Dale and blank. Drop Dale and say it alone. The award went to her, not went to she. The object form wins, so the answer is her. My parents and blank signed the form. Drop my parents and say it alone. I signed the form, not me signed the form. The subject form wins, so the answer is I. Let's wrap up. Every pronoun is either a subject pronoun, like I, he, she, we, and they, which do the action, or an object pronoun like me, him, her, us, and them, which receive it. The classic trap is the pair, Jim and me, Jim and I, because pairing hides the mistake. But the trick never fails. Drop the other person, say the sentence with the pronoun alone, and keep what sounds right. And remember, when I or me is in the pair, put it last. Great work.